What's going on, Grind Schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we're going to another car show. So my boy Mike P's having a car, I guess it's a video shoot for his wife, but there's gonna be a bunch of cars there, man. We're just gonna pull up, hang out, kick it for a minute. I know y'all don't like the car show content, but for me, this is really exciting, man. It's been a long time for, there's only been a few people in the city, I should say, that have really had cars like that, you know what I'm saying? And recently there's been a lot more people, you know what I'm saying, bringing toys out, coming with, you know what I'm saying, old schools, and it's growing, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And you know what I'm saying, like where I live at, it's like a lot of tuner stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure it's like that in a lot of cities, but down south, the big wheel thing is huge, you know what I'm saying? You'll pull up to a show, there's hundreds, maybe even thousands of cars. Out here, it's not really like that, you know what I'm saying? It's, you know, a few cars here and there, and fortunately for us, it's starting to grow. So there should be a lot of nice cars there, man. He's bringing the city out, so, you know what I'm saying? It should be a real good time, should be really fun. And yeah, like, you know, it's just should be, you know, enjoyable. I'm gonna get as many cars as I possibly can, just to throw on there. I'm not really too keen on like filming like other people's cars too, you know, because some people are in particular about their car, don't want their car seen and showed and all that kind of stuff, which sounds kind of crazy, seeing that, you know, you pull up to a car show, people are going to take pictures, people are going to take videos and stuff like that. But, you know, some people are just, you know, it just is what it is. But I'm going to take the Elko out there. I wanted to take the Impala too, but unfortunately, you know, my wife is not able to drive the Impala. So we're just going to take the Elko. And I would have just taken the Impala, but, I mean, you know, when it comes down to taking the Elko or the Impala, I mean, you know what I'm saying, it's kind of like a night and day difference. The Elko is a lot more fun to drive. It's faster, it sounds better, and it just all around, to me, looks better than the Impala. Like, not body style wise or nothing like that, I'm not comparing that, excuse me, but like my own personal, the Elko, to me, you know what I'm saying, being done up in this type of show looks better to me than the Impala, you know what I'm saying? You guys can jump down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think, whether the Elko looks better, the Impala looks better. But the Impala just is not on that level, at least in my opinion, for like car show type thing. I kind of built the car for like a daily driver type of situation, rather than, you know what I'm saying, putting you know, red bottoms on her, lipstick and all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying, done up and that, you know, maybe one day to get there, but realistically, I'm not too keen on, you know what I'm saying, like, I'm not too keen on really getting the Impala to that level, you feel me? And if you know, you know the reason why, but, you know, I just wanted her to look good, daily driver, whatever, and that it is what it is. And if the wife would have been able to pull up in it, you know what I'm saying, that would have been dope until her car is, you know, good to go. But, you know, for the summertime, you know, once I get the exhaust and everything done, I will probably start having her and the kids, you know, pull up with the Impala when we go to these shows and stuff like that, just so that they can enjoy and have fun. And maybe it might not even be both cars, it might be all of us in the, you know, family wagon. So anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and, you know what I'm saying, spin over here to the show, because it should be fun. There's gonna be a lot of cars there. Should be a lot of you know, nice vehicles, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I catch some action, but we'll see. Anyways, man, before we jump into the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time I drop another video. Now let's get into it. Watch that curb. Right.
I ain't gonna wear you up. I will.
Got them G bodies out. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, I know y'all don't like car show content, but this was a situation that kind of, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it really makes me happy to see everybody pulling out they toys and stuff like that, because that really doesn't happen where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? It's becoming a bigger and bigger thing. So, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody that pulled up and, you know what I'm saying, pulled their whips out and everything like that. I appreciate the invite from, you know what I'm saying, my homie Mike or whatever. I definitely appreciate that. And hopefully we can, you know, pull out the whips a whole lot more this summer. And then also too, you know what I'm saying, my homie Cody's Impala is literally it's on that level, you know what I'm saying, that type of time. I didn't get the whole car, I didn't get obviously the motor and all that kind of stuff. I didn't get a whole lot of it. I missed a lot of burnout content, a lot of donut content, because I had to leave, take my kids to the movies and whatnot. But yo, I must say, I've seen some of the videos that people have been posting, and it was definitely a good time. It was a good time when I was there. It was a good time after I had left. I'm sure a few more people had pulled up and everything like that. And I can say, to kick off the summer like that is definitely going to be a solid one. You know what I'm saying? Also too, like, I'm very proud of, you know what I'm saying, what I've produced in my garage and stuff like that. And I'm very proud of what I've built, you know what I'm saying, as far as the cars that I've built and things like that. And it's cool to see stuff like that, because it just motivates you and pushes you even more, because, you know, you have your vision, what you see for your car, what you think or whatever is solid and everything like that. And you see somebody else's car and it's like, dang, like, that's really dope. You know what I'm saying? Not to say that, you know, I'm going to build my shit off of somebody else's, but there's things that, you know what I'm saying, my Elko, I wish, you know what I'm saying, I could do differently or better, which I'm getting there, you know what I'm saying? The biggest thing is just the rear end, you know what I mean? Somebody told me, yo, like, you know, get in yours and slide, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, mine ain't gonna do that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have, you know what I'm saying, the gears in the rear end for it to spin the tires and all that. It'll spin stock wheels all day, but as far as, you know what I'm saying, the wheels that's on it now, it won't do anything. I know the motor's hot, I know everything is solid and it's ready to go, but it won't slide like it's supposed to, you know what I'm saying? Like it sounds. It'll get up and go and whatever, but it's just not geared right. I need gears in order to make it happen. Excuse me. But, you know, in due time, we'll get there. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, when you pull up to shows and stuff like that, it just motivates you even more to, you know, elevate your game, because, you know what I'm saying, you see how some people are coming, you know what I mean? And there's always somebody that got something hotter than you There's always somebody that, you know what I'm saying, is doing it on a different type of level, different type of time. Everybody's budget's different. Everybody, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Everybody has a different type of idea, vision, whatever. And that's what makes this car community so dope, man, because, you know what I'm saying, you get to see all walks of life. I was talking to somebody at the show, and I'm like, yo, no knock to Hellcat stuff, but Hellcats, it's like the same exact thing. It's like, yo, off the shelf. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing, different wrap. Okay, everybody got the same motor. So it doesn't even matter. Everybody got the same wheels. Everybody got the same. It's the same. Cool. It's the exact same car. Charger, Challenger. Cool. Everything's the same, just a different color, different wrap. You know what I'm saying? Which I'm not really into that type of stuff. And that's the main reason why. I won't say the main reason, but one of the reasons why I got rid of my Camaro, because it's like, okay, cool. Like, I'll be driving my Camaro. I see 15 red Camaros on my way home. Like, it's the same thing. Yeah, my motor's hopped up and all that. And you know what I'm saying? Like, I put wheels on my car and stuff like that. But people have told me, like, hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? I seen you the other day. I'm like, see me where? And they'll tell me, like, nah, you didn't see me because I haven't been in my car in like a month. But, you know what I'm saying? I get mistaken for other red Camaros. You see this Elko? You know it's me. This is the only car probably in the nation that looks like it, probably in the world that looks like it looks. You know what I'm saying? You will not see a copy of my Elko anywhere. My Impala, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It looks similar to other Impalas, whatever. This Monte Carlo, you know what I'm saying? You'll see similar ones, but there won't be a copy of this Monte Carlo anywhere. And that's what the beauty about the old school thing, man. Just this lane is just, it's just beautiful, man. Just seeing everybody's different type of vision. And I salute every single person that was there, because, you know what I'm saying, it's exciting to see so many people bring, you know what I'm saying, their toys out. And hopefully, you know what I'm saying, this is the start of a solid and fun summer. We've been waiting for this for so long, and it's finally here. So anyways, man, I ain't gonna stall y'all out too long, man. I had a great time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. For the little bit of content that I got, like I said, I'm not trying to put a whole bunch of car show content on here, because I know y'all don't rock with it like that, but I had to get some of the cars, because some of them cars they real solid. But anyways, man, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notification every single time I drop another video. Always remember, work hard so you live free.